Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have brought along for you all this gorgeous looking Bollywood style saree draping video. I hope you all will enjoy this video, and if you people do that, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And this is not at all typical, guys, so let's just see how I got this saree draped all around me. So find the non-pallu end of the saree and drape it all around your wrist as you would normally do. And taking one circle or one round of it, you have to insert it all across the petticoat. Then the next step is you have to find your pallu, and for the time being I'm just going to roughly pleat the pallu and go ahead and cross it all around my body in an anti-clockwise direction and just place it over my shoulder. I just need the end or the edge of the pallu and the actual length of the pallu that I want, and when I'll be getting that, I'll be just grabbing a hold of that pleat. Now if you're going ahead with the Bollywood style sari, then you probably know that actresses do flaunt their waist, so you just have to flaunt it. That's it. Now coming a little bit closer, I'm gonna show you guys how I do get the center pleatings done. Here I'm sharing with you guys. I've already applied the safety pin, as you people might have already seen me applying that, where I love to apply it in the inner rim of the vest. And doing this with the sari's pleat actually manages the sari in the bottom without bending a lot, and then just grabbing all the pleats and tucking them in right underneath the navel, as you people can see me doing right over here, and adjusting everything just to make sure everything is falling in place. Now I'm going to show you guys how I got the pallu draped, which is the speciality of the sari. I'm going to very thinly pleat the pallu. When you go ahead and thinly pleat your pallu, you have way too much more pleats than you would normally have. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and count all the pleats while you're pleating the pallu. So once you will be grabbing a hold of the pallu from the bottom section, you will be able to recognize which pleat is there and how many pleats you have already holded, just to make sure the hassle that happens when you have left one or the other pleat. Then here you can see me, once I've got a hold of all the pleats, I'm just placing it over my shoulder but bending down. Now I'm going to show you that I am just going ahead and grabbing all the pleats once again for being placed onto the shoulder, and just adjusting everything right onto the breast. I am gonna go ahead and apply a safety pin not on my shoulder but underneath my collarbone. So you want to make sure that the safety pin is not on your shoulder but underneath your collarbone. Then I'm just bending down my pallu and applying a safety pin just to secure the pleats in place, because I need to twist and turn around the sari. Now I have twisted it once, and here you can see me. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm twisting it once and then twice and bringing it back to the place exactly how it was, like two twists and then bringing it back to the exact stage where it was, and then pinning it onto the shoulder. So you people have seen there wasn't not way too much of a rocket science going on. It's just twisting it twice before pinning it. That's it. Just you need to adjust the pleats, adjust them over your breast and adjust it onto your waist, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Just help the sari to frame your figure and you have it on right there. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.